Here we're going to look at multiplying fractions where some are positive, some are negative. Now you don't always have to do this method for the positive negative, but I noticed when we start crossing off and canceling things, it's very easy to forget one of the negatives or lose them because they're such little symbols. So sometimes I like to just tell myself before I start, is my final answer going to be positive or negative? Just decide. That way, even if you make a sign error in the work, you can see if it lines up with what you thought. Now, how do I know the final answer is going to be positive? Because I see I have two negatives and they're going to cancel. And so once I make that determination, I can almost say, oh, they're already canceled, erase them if I want to. All right, so we multiply fractions straight across. So top to top, bottom to bottom. And so on a whole number, it helps to put the bottom so I can see what's actually there. So realistically, I'm thinking of this as 8 times 3, or negative 8, we'll keep our negative, times 2 on the top, and 1 times 5 times negative 9 on the bottom. So now we'll look for common factors. I'd say 3 and negative 9, we can divide them both by 3. So that's 1, that'd be negative 3. And negative 3 doesn't have anything in common with 8 or 2. So it looks like we end up with negative 8 times 2. So negative 16 on top. And 5 times negative 3, so negative 15 on the bottom. And notice just like we thought earlier, the negatives are going to cancel. And so we end up with 16 over 15 as a final answer.